what I mean? I'm a little sensitive about the color blindness and shit, so fuck a fade, homie. I hope she can dodge a bullet.
You should put that in the fucking video. Just put that shit in the video. Fucking Blake strikes again, my boy. Hold on, let me... What's up?
I need a welding helmet.
You gonna weld?
No, Carlos is. But he almost burned his eyeballs out yesterday. So.
Yeah, no, but...
Let me have a welding helmet.
What do you say?
Thank you, please.
There you go.
You could have sucked that thing.
What the fuck, Pete? Oh my God. Hey, move this. What's up, y'all? Welcome to this week's edition of Shop Talk. It's been a few weeks, we've been grinding. You know, we're gonna get right back into it. We're gonna start off with this one because I'm not gonna lie, you know, a lot of people had a lot of stuff to say about this car, all right? Some of the stuff hurt my feelings. All right, I'm very sensitive. But anyway, so we'll talk about the damage that was done in this car, then we're gonna go back into the shop. All right, so first off, yes, this car is on air ride. Yes, the driver should have adjusted the air ride. No, not everybody was over there just watching it. And why did we film it? Well, we'll get into that in a second, okay? So, as the trailer caught the front end of this, it ripped the front end completely off. First off, no, these aren't spark plugs. These are riv nuts that were riv nutted into the fiberglass bumper that tore out. All right, it tore the mounting holes on the fenders on both sides. It broke the driver's side headlight, tore the radiator support, messed up this actual fender liner, and then this little shield we made. Trying to think what else it did. Destroyed the carbon fiber lip and broke, I believe, the upper grille. I don't know, the bumper's inside right now. But yeah, so first off, this is an SRT. It's not a basic little 6-cylinder. It has the prior design wide body kit on it. And yes, it has a Whipple supercharger, all right? So this car was a nice car to begin with. The car came here because it was sold and the new client was supposed to pick it up. And then as you saw what transpired after, that's what happened. So right now, the driver had tried to offer me $500 to fix this. So that's why me and him were exchanging some words. But no, what had happened was while we were filming it was because on that truck, he had a 69 Challenger as well. So I thought it'd be nice to get some footage of this one backing out and then panning into the other one. But shit, I asked him, did he want me to back it out? He said no. See what happened. Oh well, it's all good. We got a version 3 for this car coming up, a new wrap involved, some color changes going on, so it'll be nice to see that, so keep in touch, all right? I gotta keep in touch, keep in tune, all right, keep in tune. All right, let's get back into it, see what everybody in the shop's doing, all right? Let's roll. We're gonna start off here with Nando. We got this Z06 Vet over here that came in. This was another transporting nightmare, all right? But I don't have pictures of it. I'll see if I can find some so Josh can insert it in the reel. This was on like the double deck trailer. This car was on the bottom floor. There was a car on top. The guy was going and hit a bridge, not a bridge. The car on top hit the top of a bridge pushed it down through, and basically good portion of the rear end of the car that was above it came down, fucked up the hood, fenders, engine cover, radiator, a bunch of stuff. But basically we are fixing this right now. So yeah, shout out to all those real shippers or shipping companies that know what they're doing, you know. Very, very, how you say it? Very, very important to find good shippers, especially when you got nice cars that you're moving, you know? And by the way, that shipping company had nothing to do with us. We were just on the receiving end. We didn't hire them, all right? Keep it moving. Got Mondo over here, right here on this SS Camaro, 2015 SS Camaro that was sideswiped. And we ended up replacing the rear subframe, rear end, and we are upgrading the suspension components, which are right here. Oh yeah, man. Out with all the old. Yeah, you already see. All this new right here, all right? BMR, lower control arms, tow rods, and then the other control arms, all right? Coney front struts and rear shocks, or actually front and rear struts, should I say. All right, he's getting it in over there. Over here, yeah, Adrian's IROC Z, aka also known as the LS swap IROC Z. Vlad's over here doing some final details on it. Finally got to where we have some driving footage of it, and we're going through the break-in phase through this vehicle. Bunch of noises we're starting to kind of go through. I'd say we had 10 noises that we had to figure out. Now we're down to the last one, which is one of the rear end, which is basically because of the size of the tire that we had. We had issues with it rubbing on the inner fender well. So we're doing a little bit of impact loading, AKA massaging, to get that dialed in. Keep underneath though. Yeah, got a solid, what? We got 50, 60, 75? 75 miles? 75 miles on it. Ryan, my new painter right here. Ryan, Jiffy Lube.
Es que acá no me dan uniforme, no me dan uniforme de ese.
Thank you. Welcome, John. Welcome, Ryan. All right, last time we were over here, it's probably been a minute since you guys seen some of the updated footage on this. We're waiting for the build breakdown till Pringle kind of finishes up the metal work on the rear end, but we have a lot of progress on this build. Vlad has, hold on, we'll come back. Let's go. We won't go too far in depth on this one, but this is Chevy OBS, which is probably gonna get a new name because I'm trying to convince him to change the color on this vehicle. Some great progress on this. Vlad has knocked out the wire tuck on the motor. Motor is completely assembled, less the custom intake, which we have to do. We have the Holley drive system up front, MSD wires, Holley fuel rails, LS3 intake manifold, and then did the injector and coil pack wires all tucked nice and neat, as you can see. Excuse the dust, all right? Finally got the front wheels and tires on. We will still need to do a notch on the firewall to clear this. Trying to find some radiator support and then the radiator support hardware, which is something I can't find right now. But as you come to the back, we got Pringle over there finishing up the wheel tub and the doghouse for the bed. Shit, oh yeah, one of the highlight parts of this build is the side exhaust bed exits. Is that right? Yeah. Yes, there we go. Mondo finished up this full exhaust. We got literally a mirror image exhaust with a crossover pipe with which was a pain because trying to fit all the components we got in a single cab with running the exhaust like that, it was a little bit challenging, but it all worked out. There's a lot, but we'll save all the details till when we get into his own video. Here's a little update on Project Z. Can't remember the last time you guys saw this. I think we were waiting for the new rear end to get in, which got to give a shout out to Apex Engineering. You people over here, They went ahead and supplied us with a new subframe. We are now running a Ford 8.8 rear end with LSD. So we got that installed, got new axles, new lower control arms, everything. Now the only issue is we had to convert the 240Z hubs because we had already bought the wheels and it was a 4-lug. So with all of the new components we had, ran into issues where basically everyone running this rear end has converted over to 5-lug. So as you can see, by running new 240SX wheel hubs, bearings with the new control arms, we have an issue. The wheel is now pushed out of the wide body that we had originally made. So I had to get in contact with Apex Engineering, and they're phenomenal with tech support. They're making us some new control arms, shorter axles, so we can hopefully bring everything in. And we're crossing our fingers right now that that works exactly how we want it. And then that one will be ready to strip down, butt ass naked, and get into paint, all right? Body work and paint. All right, here we just finished up this custom color from my boy Raul's, I don't even know what the fuck it is. From Dirt Direct Motorsports. His little custom toy. And we hit this with a 2022 BMW color. It's like a gray pearl, but it's got some heavy flake to it. I gotta give my boy Chris over at Bones Fab a shout out because he was painting some parts off some car this color and I saw it. I fucking loved it. So I had to tell Raul about it. We had to do something different. Yeah, wait till he has this thing all together, all right? Yeah. There's another sad one right here. We finished this truck up for the homie Rennie probably about 2 months ago. We got hit in front of his house originally back in December. We finally finished it, I wanna say end of May, and then got hit in the same spot again by a fucking drunk driver. But at this point, it had pushed the whole front end back into the fucking motor, and sad to say this was a goner now, so goddamn.
Bruh.
Yeah, I didn't see that. But anyway, stay safe out there. On a serious note, I would like to thank all of our new subscribers, existing subscribers, new followers. If you didn't subscribe, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for following us. We got some good stuff coming. We actually a little early drop. We will be doing the LA Auto Show this year. All right, 2022 LA Auto Show. Stay tuned. We got some fire coming. All right, I'm out. Peace. Summer bunnies drive me crazy. Ooh. This is sweaty, I ain't gonna lie. It's just got a lot of just man sweat on it, dog. Once you hit like 30, your sweat changes. You'll find out. If you hit 35, it's just like you grown man. It's just that you sweat for no reason. Like I went
I think this is you being out here.
No, dog. I went to the gym and played ball with these young kids, and the disrespect they told me was they started calling me old head.
I call you that now.
Nah, but I was balling. I served this kid up a nice little cross. This motherfucker had the nerve to say, "Oh shit, AARP's out here." At that point, I put my head down. I was like, "Fuck, dog, this is disrespect, man."
But that was a good one, though.
Nah, that shit hurt me.